Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Alison Moyet, and we are going to listen to the song All Cried Out.
It's the first time Single Take honest reaction to this Patreon request. Always uncut, unedited, that's how we are, even if we fumble like I just did. Let's get started. And you can check out our Patreon page to learn more about us or to request a reaction. The link is in the description box below. Alison Moyet, have you heard her before?
No.
Sounds familiar, like an actress. Let's get started.
Surprised, there was no disguise. You knew where I stood from the start. So stop, look around you. You're right back where I found you. Take back your cold and empty heart. Oh, cried out. You took a whole lot of loving for a handful of nothing. Oh, cried out. It's hard to give you something when you're pushing and shoving. Oh, cried out. You took a whole lot of loving. Oh, cried out. It's hard to give you something when you're pushing and shoving me around. Go your way, go your way. I don't mind. I won't stay around here. Don't you waste my time. You took a whole lot of loving for a handful of nothing. It's hard to give you something when you're pushing and shoving. You took a whole lot of loving. It's hard to give you something when you're pushing and shoving me around. You took a whole lot of loving for a handful of nothing. You took a whole lot of loving. You took a whole lot of loving for a handful of nothing.
Wow. Now this was special. This was special to listen to. I like her voice. She, there are certain artists that you listen to for the first time, and I'm definitely listening to her for the first time ever. You find them promising, as if next time when you hear, you already expect something nice, something good as the last one. She sounds something like that. She sounds someone like that. I like her voice, the personality that came through with her voice and the way it was sung. And I'm all for the lines.
Why are you looking at me after saying that?
That was the pass. As in, it's your turn.
Relationships are definitely give and take. There are two aspects I'd like to talk about lyrically. It's very, very sound. It was repetitive towards the end, but it had already had so much substance
It
that
said
I
it
loved
all.
it. I loved it. Her voice, the way it was constructed, the musical arrangement, that stop bit, those certain words.
there were certain
stop.
moments, yeah.
Yeah, emphasis on that was just terrific. So, yeah, I definitely connected with it. There are two things that I would like to talk about. One is that a relationship is all about a give and take. If it's a one-way street, she mentioned it so beautifully in those two lines that, I gave you so much and I got back a handful of nothing.
Yeah.
So, it can't be that way. No relationship will prosper, will thrive, will even survive at the end of the day that way. So it's always about a give and take. And secondly, if you're pushing and shoving someone around, that just dominating, just maybe being violent, aggressive, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. You do it with an animal, it won't work.
Yeah.
Even a very docile animal like a deer, you try pushing and shoving a deer here and there, the deer will kick you straight in your groin area. It's as simple as that. So you can't do that in a relationship with human beings. It's all about give and take. It's all about maintaining your level of decency, keeping it cordial, keeping it at a very earthy, basic level, but also making sure that you actually care about the person, not violate the person's rights, and not push and shove them around and expect everything to be given to you and you not giving anything back. So it's a very good song, very powerful lines, and definitely it's something that as counselors, definitely I think Kirti and I could discuss and share examples out of our experience and talk about it for hours. But I think the song is good enough to just listen to again. I loved the voice, I love the music. Everything about it was really, really good. Really, really good. And I'm always surprised that after even 3 years of listening to music on YouTube alone, regularly, almost daily, we still come across so many artists, not just one, so many artists, so many songs which take us by surprise that, oh, how come we never heard this before? How come it wasn't requested before? So that's great. That's great. That shows there's a lot of diversity out there. There's a lot of music still to listen to out there. And we may have only scratched the surface. But it's also about the requester. The requester should know what is a good request to give us. If you're just going to challenge us with something that you know is against our moral guidelines or cultural ethos, it's pointless. It's pointless for you. It's pointless for us. It's pointless for our channel.
People who watch it.
For our channel to support patrons like you, rather than patrons supporting us, we also have a philosophy of give and take. So if we want to support you and your request, it better be something that can resonate with our values, our experience, and go through our Patreon page, go through the description box of our videos. You will generally get a very good idea, and go through all the reactions we've done, the positive and negative ones. You'll get a very good idea of music and lyrics that don't resonate with us and those that do. And more than 80% of the songs still we really like, which says a lot about us, being very tolerant, patient, and actually being here with the right intention to listen to music and give an open, honest, sincere review, such as the one we've given for this one.
In relationships, I won't talk about love right now, but I will talk something opposite of it. Fear. Fear is, there are two biggest motivators on this planet for humans or other living things is fear and love. And fear also weighs higher than love in most cases. But fear is misunderstood by people in many aspects. When people talk about fear will motivate someone to be with you, it's not the fear that you instill in that person's mind for you, that what kind of things you can do to that person, but it is the fear of losing you. That should be what should be there in the person's mind more than fear of you. That's all.
Yeah, so that's all for this one. Goodbye.